1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a young cowboy who lives on the range. His horse and his cattle are his only companions. He works in the saddle and he sleeps in the canyon, just waiting for summer, his pastures to change. As the moon rises, he sits by his fire, dreaming about women and glasses of beer, closing his eyes as the doggies retire. He sings out a tune which is soft but it's clear, as if maybe someone could hear. He sings good night, you moonlight ladies. You rock about oh sweet baby James. Deep greens and blues, all the colors I choose. Won't you let me go down in my dreams? Won't you rock about oh sweet baby James? Now the 1st of December was covered with snow, and so was the turnpike from Stockbridge to Boston. Though the book she seemed dreamlike on account of that frosting, with 10 miles behind you and 10,000 more to go. Whoa, there's a song that they sing when they take to the highway, a song that they sing when they take to the sea, a song that they sing of their home in the sky. Maybe you can believe it if it helps you to sleep, though singing seems to work just fine for me. And so good night, you moonlight ladies. Rock about oh, sweet baby James. Deep greens and blues, all the colors I choose. Won't you let me go down in my dreams? Oh, won't you rock about oh, sweet baby James? Won't you rock about oh, sweet baby